CBD is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get unless you do a little reading. With CBD oil, it should be as easy as checking the box, but there is an unfortunate problem of mislabeled products, counterfeit CBD. In order to protect yourself from knockoff or low-quality products, do your due diligence. Always check the certificate of analysis. If there isn't one, steer clear of the product. What's up, my plant people? Kristen here, founder of Healthy Not High, helping you understand CBD one molecule at a time and breaking the stigma of hemp through education. Hit subscribe below because in 2 weeks, I'm going to release my best CBD products of 2020 review. Unsponsored, unbiased, everyone wants to know how to find good CBD. I've surveyed the very saturated, awfully confusing product market, and I'm going to finally deliver the 15 very best product options to you by category. I know very well how overwhelming it's become to find good CBD products. You go to the natural grocery store and you assume that what they've chosen to sell on the shelf must be good stuff, right? Wrong. As of now, I wouldn't buy CBD from a dispensary, nor would I buy from a grocery store, or any type of retail store, actually. If you do, you just might find yourself wondering why CBD didn't do much for you. Because generally, guys, the highest quality products haven't been focused on marketing yet. Some have, but the majority of awesome concentrated products have been focused on growing, researching, producing, and lab testing toxin-free, delicate strains of cannabinoids. But they have not yet dialed in their marketing and sales departments. In 2019, 70% of top-selling CBD products were highly contaminated, according to a study from research firm Ellipse Analytics. And there are numerous studies out there now proving that most CBD products being sold don't have nearly the amount of CBD in the bottle that the label claims it does. Sometimes there's even more THC than advertised, which gets tricky because that's the psychoactive component in marijuana. The certificate of analysis is a document from an accredited third-party laboratory that ensures the level of cannabinoids present and the absence of heavy metals, toxins, and artificial flavorings. Those ingredients are not medicine. Look for a clean profile. If you don't have those test results, you really don't know what you're consuming. Manufacturers should send every batch of every product they make to a lab for testing to protect their customers and prove that their products have as much CBD as advertised. Always check the COA before using a CBD product. COAs aren't always easy to get your hands on before buying a product. You may need to reach out to the company to request it. However, once you receive your product, there should be a QR code on the label that you can scan and be taken to a web page with the product's COA. Most iPhones can scan QR codes through the regular camera. Just open the camera app and point it at the QR code. Don't take a picture, just hover over the QR code and a notification should pop up with a web address. For Android or older phones, simply go to the App Store and search for a QR code scanner. There are free options to download. So have you guys ever tried this, or do you wish you had tried this maybe on a product that you paid for but it didn't really work for you? Comment below. I'm very curious if this COA option is news to you, or if you're taking a CBD product with no QR code or trackable COA. Thanks for watching, because you're making the world a better place by being informed and open-minded. There's a lot more if you're curious. Hit subscribe. I have 2 huge product giveaways coming up and an unbiased, unsponsored release of 15 awesome CBD products that I recommend and stand behind. Thank you to my Healthy Not High board. I love how these are turning out and I couldn't do it without your help. Cheers and see you next week.